Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to introduce you to the various exclusion options available within your Amazon repricing rules. With these exclusion options, you're able to fine-tune your rules to exclude or ignore specific sellers you don't want to compete with. There are a wide variety of exclusion options available, and we're going to take you through them now. To get started, let's pull up a repricing rule. Click Repricing Rule on the left-hand side, then choose the rule you'd like to see. You'll find the exclusions on the Advanced Options tab. The first option we have available is the Exclude non-BuyBox eligible sellers. With this option, you can exclude any sellers who are not eligible to get the buy box. Let's just open Amazon to have a look at some of these sellers. Now, having a look at this listing, Amazon doesn't actually tell us which sellers are eligible or not, but the good rule of thumb is to look at sellers with low feedback. Really, Amazon are not going to allow people to have the buy box if their feedback is very low. This of course isn't the only reason, and you can find high feedback sellers who are also not eligible for the buy box because their price is too high, their recent refund rates are too high, or their message response time is too slow. On this random listing, the SG wholesale seller is almost certainly eligible for the buy box. Just have a look at that feedback rating. But scrolling down, Pure Gaming and Solution for You are almost certainly not eligible for the buy box due to their low feedback. Using this setting, you can automatically exclude these low feedback sellers who are unlikely to secure the buy box. The next option available is to exclude out-of-bounds sellers. This basically means that you'll be completely blind to any sellers below or above your minimum and maximum prices. This means that your scenarios for below min will effectively do nothing. Or if you're using price above, it will not look at any sellers below your min. Next we have a nice easy one, exclude Amazon. This basically means that Amazon as a seller will be excluded and you will not reprice against them. You'll reprice against other sellers on the listing, just not Amazon themselves. The final option we have available allows you to exclude any specific sellers you don't want to compete with yourself. This could be anyone on the listing. In order to do this, what you need to do is enter that seller's seller ID. You can get this from their storefront on Amazon. What we're going to do is I'll show you how to get this now. Open up a listing and then click on the seller you'd like to exclude. Here we're going to exclude this fast seller, whoever that is. It's definitely not us, definitely not our test account, I swear. If you have a look at the URL, you will find their seller ID. The seller ID is what comes after seller equals. Just copy and paste this into the box in Repricer. You can exclude multiple sellers by putting each on their own line. Now there are other exclusion options available within the competitor rules, but that's a topic for another video. Why not have a look at some of the other videos we have looking at different rule features? If you haven't yet started your trial, sign up today for 14 days free. Or you can also get in touch with the team and get a free demo. Thanks for joining me today and have a great day!